which tend to break out, dried, and etc. etc. And I personally love this one, but I found a substitute of this. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. And without a further ado, let's get started. Let's start with hair care. I am currently using this L'Oreal Hyaluron Moisture Shampoo, and trust me, if someone buys this much bigger bottle now, then they genuinely love a product, and it makes my hair smooth, shiny, and also nourishes my scalp too. The next shampoo is from Love Beauty and Planet. It's their onion black seed and patchouli shampoo. The way it smells and lingers on your hair for around 3 days. I genuinely love this, and it literally stops your hair fall. Okay, so these are the only two shampoos that I genuinely love in this year. Let's come to the hair mask category. So first hair mask is this hair pure protein hair spa mask something. You can see I love this hair mask. Almost emptied, and I bought it 6 months ago, and genuinely recommend this hair mask if you want to DIY it or just you want to use it as it is. It is so affordable and make your hair look shiny and lustrous. And the next hair mask is from Biotique. This is the OG hair mask, and I am using it from past 3 years, and genuinely recommend this too because it smells amazing, it's affordable, and it does something to your hair. Let's come to the serum category. I am currently using this Malic Bond Repair from Minimalist, and it prevents my hair from a lot of damage. I personally see the results too, and this is my hair. You can see how shiny they are looking. And the second serum is this from Biolage. Guys, if you know me, then you know this is my OG serum, और ये मेरे घर के हर एक कोने में आपको मिलेगी इसकी बॉटल, एंड इट इज़ टू अफोर्डेबल, और ये लिटरली आपके हेयर को बहुत ज़्यादा शाइनी और लस्ट्रस बना के ही रहेगा. एंड यू जस्ट नीड अ कॉइन साइज अमाउंट इफ़ यू हैव this much long hair, and apply it on your hair, blow dry it, and you will thank me later. Let's talk about scalp health. For the scalp, I am currently using this Ordinary Glycolic Acid, and if you watch my videos, then you must know I have used this one from Minimalist too, and then I switch it over this, and I kid you not, it works amazing for my entire body. It removes my underarm darkness, knee darkness, and you know the other magics too. Oh, I forgot to mention another shampoo, and it's from Minimalist. It's their anti-dandruff shampoo, and it works wonder, and it removes dandruff in one go. I love this when I have extremely itchy and dry scalp with a lot of dandruff. Oh god, I tried so many face washes this year, and here are few of my recommendations too. If you are a dry skin person or dry to normal skin person and don't want to exfoliate your skin at all, then these 3 face washes are your best friend, and you must try these. You can see the quantity of the bottle, and I almost finished this one, and these two are literally emptied. And if you want exfoliation on your face, then must try this one from Nath Habit. The amount of exfoliation it gives gently is insane. And if you are searching for a 2-in-1 face wash, then you must try this one from Foxtail. मैं यहाँ पे लाना भूल चुकी हूँ उसको. And it is the gem because I use it before exfoliating or like shaving my face, and then my skin changes its color. For the body washes, I have 4 recommendations. This one from Palm Olive is my go-to, and I can't show you bottle right now because it is so messy. But the smell you got from it is insane. It hydrates your skin and evenly exfoliates also. And if you want hydrating body washes, then must go for these two. It's the Dove Sensitive Skin and Love Beauty and Planet Murumuru and Rose wala variant. They both smell divine. And if you want a massive exfoliation in your skin, then must try this one from Chemist at Play. This is my personal favorite for ingrown hairs, back acne and many more. If you know me, then you also know this. I have a different kind of skin which tend to break out, dried and etc. And these are my two go-to face washes whenever I am breaking out like hell. And these are from the Dermaco. Sunscreens, I genuinely love this. Here is this. I kid you not, I emptied 7 bottles of this sunscreen and it's from Dot & Key, and currently I am using this one from Simple. It is so lightweight, so fluid and gives you insane amount of glow. And for reapplication, I am using this sunscreen stick from Happier. It's their matte variant. Let's talk about body lotions. I have various body lotions this year. First of all, if you only want hydration, go for these two. It is Conscious Chemist Super Dew Intense Hydrating Body Cream, and if you want more hydration, then you must try this one from CeraVe. I kid you not, this one hydrates your skin. And like ऐसा होता है ना कि हम 24 आवर प्रोटेक्शन चाह रहे होते हैं, ये लिटरली क्लेम नहीं करता बट ये देता है 24 आवर हाइड्रेशन. एंड आई समटाइम्स फील लाइक इसको मैं अपनी बॉडी से कैसे हटाऊं. एक दिन हो चुका है नहाए और इसको यूज किए हुए, ये हटता भी नहीं, वो बहुत हाइड्रेटिंग है. बट इफ यू वांट टू स्मेल गुड or like a bakery, then you must try this one from Himalaya. It's their rich cocoa butter body cream, and this one from Market 99. It's their Deco Rare body lotion with cocoa butter. They both smell amazing and they are budget friendly too. For the perfume, I love or like enjoy this Skin by Titan Celeste perfume a lot, and you can see it's my second bottle, let me tell you, and you can see how much I have used it. It is very sophisticated yet floral fragrance. You guys must love this one. Oh god, I genuinely love this one. If you are dealing with large pores or acne scars or any pigmentation issue, then I got your back. You need these 3 serums from your vanity or from your pocket so that they will work within a week. So first one is from Beauty of Joseon. It's their Glow Deep Serum Rice Plus Alpha Arbutin. You can see how much I have used it. और ये मैं इसको 6 महीने से यूज कर रही हूँ, ये खत्म ही नहीं होके आ रहा है. And the quantity is 30 ml. And this one from Anua. It's their Anua Niacinamide 10 plus tranexamic acid 4. You can also see how much I have used it, and it's my second bottle. It is insanely pricey, but the amount of hydration and glow this provides is insane. Dry skin person, go for Anua one, and oily skin person, go for this one from Beauty of Joseon. But if you are only dealing with large pores and want to try retinol but in a milder form, then you must try Minimalist Copper Peptide plus PDRN. It is insane, but the price point is something. I genuinely love this product from Minimalist. In the toner category, I personally use this one from Tony Moly. It's a Hyaluron Choc something toner, but the toner which removes my dryness is this one from Cosrx. It's their Propolis Synergy toner. I am almost done with it, and I'm for sure gonna buy another one. For the face moisturizer, I love this one from again Dr. Sheth's. It's their Oat and Ceramide Skin Hydrating Moisturizer. It is so lightweight and yet effective for normal to dry skin. But if you are oily skin person, then you must try these ones. And if you are a dry skin person, like Sahara Desert dry skin person, then you must go for these. And I personally use them but didn't store their bottle. For underarm roll-on, I swear by these two from Chemist at Play. ये वाला पूरा खत्म हो चुका है, इसमें थोड़ा बचता है, and I personally love these. They stopped my underarm from growing ingrowns. For the spot treatment and hydration, I love this oil. It's from BioCure Restore Night Recovery Face Oil. I genuinely love this oil after my retinol. And if you have acne, then this one from pharmacy will save your life. If you love applying makeup but hate removing them, then you must try this one from Lakme. It's their micellar water. I genuinely love this, and it personally removes Maybelline Sky High mascara from my lashes without breaking them too. And if you don't want to use micellar water, then use these two cleansing oil. I know this one is kinda bougie. It's from DHC. I personally love this one, but I found a substitute of this. It's from Europe Girl, and you can see the amount, how much I have used it, and you can see clearly कि ये मैंने यूज करना ही छोड़ दिया है. For my body scrubs, I am currently enjoying this one from M Caffeine, and it's their smoky pumpkin spice body scrub. Let me tell you one thing: if you want to smell like pumpkin spice latte, then go for this. You will gonna thank me. In the makeup category, tools, I use these set of brushes from this brand from Mars, and I personally love their brushes. They are so affordable, so lightweight, and yet so versatile. I have only two right here, and other are in my vanity. If your lips feel chapped, then you must try this one, this lip oil from Zudio. It comes in a pack of 3 in under 200. Yes, you heard me, 200. And you can see how much I have used and abused it. And if you have like pigmentation around your lips, then you must try this one from Wishcare. I have tried so many lip balms for my dark and pigmented lips, but nothing works better than this one. And it also gives protection too. And if you only want sunscreen or like sunscreen lip balms, then you must try this one from NMF, and it is so hydrating among all of these three. It is extremely lightweight, non chip or like very, but it has kinda Vaseline taste, and personally I love this one. In the tint or lipstick category, I love enjoying this tint from Rene. It's their water tint, and it is so lightweight, but the downfall is it tastes bitter. And if you are searching for nude lipstick with a pink in it, then you must try this one from Zudio. You can see the color. I am currently wearing this lipstick on my lips, and the most abused product of 2025 is this Maybelline Day Tint in shade 55 Knee High. Oh my god, इसको मैंने जितना यूज़ किया, इतना प्रोडक्ट मैंने लिप्स पे कोई नहीं यूज़ किया अपनी पूरी एंटायर लाइफ में. ये बहुत like it's my third bottle. You can imagine how much I love this tint. And the last very like bold tint is this one from Etude Fixing Tint, and I am in the shade 06 Soft Walnut. Personally, you need this tint if you want a very Korean looking red lips, or like वैसी होता है ना इस टाइप से लिप्स, वैसे के लिए you need this one. And for the mascara, I only trust this one. Personally, I also love Zudio mascaras, but अगर उसके अलावा मेरे को कुछ सजेस्ट करने हो, तो I would literally suggest you this one from Maybelline, and it's their Sky High mascara. I didn't even remember how many tubes I have like used of these mascaras. And for the lip liner, I only trust and use Mars lip liner Edge of Desire in the shade 02 Deep Down. मतलब इसके अलावा मेरे पास कोई लिप लाइनर है भी नहीं, इतना मैं इस लिप लाइनर की यूज करती हूँ. एंड यू कैन सी द हालत ऑफ दिस. And currently I have used this lip liner with the Zudio lipstick. This is what a lip liner looks like. And if you have dry skin or like dry knee and elbow and feet, then you must try this cream. It's Cotterell for dry skin. It has urea and it hydrates your body a lot way more better than any other thing. Girls, if you haven't tried oil pulling, then you are literally missing something for your teeth. I started using this oil from Coco Nourish, I don't know, and doesn't matter. Just use any coconut oil in a spoon and just splash it for like 5 to 10 minutes in your mouth and go brush your teeth. You should genuinely try oil pulling for whiter teeth without using any chemical on them. And if you are a person who hates traveling but gets very dizzy or like hota hai na motion sickness kind of, then you must try these double mints from Wrigley's something. I genuinely stopped vomiting at my own while using these, and personally recommend these if you get a very nasty headache. Do let me know in the comment section your recommendation, your favorite of 2025. Bye.